Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the VKAROOD Smart Watch, which claims to be the best fitness band with a blood pressure monitor available in the market. Stay tuned as we dive into its features and performance. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about the VKAROOD Smart Watch. This sleek and stylish fitness tracker comes with not one but two bands, one steel and one silicone. It's designed for both men and women, making it a versatile choice for all. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its advanced sensors that monitor your real-time heart rate throughout the day. It also keeps track of your sleep patterns, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels. All this data is synchronized with the DeFit app, allowing you to easily monitor your health. When it comes to fitness tracking, the VKAROOD smartwatch excels. It records real-time data such as heart rate, steps, calories burned, distance, and active time during exercise. With over 100 exercise modes to choose from, it's a great companion for your workouts. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, so you can wear it during outdoor activities and even on rainy days, just not for swimming. But that's not all. This smartwatch also offers information notifications. It supports AI voice assistants, allowing you to wake up your phone, answer or make calls, read app messages, store contact information, and view call logs, all from your wrist. Now, let's talk about the display. The VKAROOD smartwatch features a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED round screen with a 178 degrees wide viewing angle. This results in higher color accuracy and a wider color gamut. You can even customize your watch face with your photos, giving it a personalized touch. Plus, with a 250 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 7 days of worry-free use. Looking for a gift? Well, this smartwatch makes an ideal present for friends, partners, or family members, especially during special occasions like Christmas, New Year, or Valentine's Day. And here's the best part. It comes with an 18-month free warranty, and the seller offers 24-hour after-sales support, so you can buy with confidence. In conclusion, the VKAROOD smartwatch is a feature-packed fitness tracker with a blood pressure monitor, making it a strong contender for the title of the best in the market. Its sleek design, versatile functionality, and affordable price make it a fantastic choice for those looking to improve their health and stay connected. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to purchase this amazing smartwatch. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more honest reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.